How to use Tap to Pay on Shopify. Fumbling with standalone hardware terminals, worrying about Bluetooth pairing drops, or carrying a bulky card reader just to process a quick in-person sale is a massive headache for modern merchants. If you want to accept chip cards, Apple Pay, or digital wallets on the spot, you don't need extra gear. Today we are opening the Master Shopify POS app to activate Tap to Pay, transforming your personal mobile device into a high-security retail terminal in under 2 minutes. Okay, so now preparing your hardware and app settings. Let's configure your mobile device layers to handle secure contactless processing. So you need to download and launch the official Shopify POS app on your smartphone. I will show you where. And then just download this app and log in by using your store credentials. Ensure your hardware requirements are met. If you are running iOS, you need an iPhone XS or newer. On Android, ensure your device features a built-in NFC chip. Make sure your phone's native NFC and Bluetooth connections are toggled on. And then guys, don't forget, from the POS home screen layout grid, you need to tap More menu icon in the bottom right corner, or these three dots right over here. Then just navigate straight into your settings and select Set up Hardware under the Hardware Management card block. Right, and after that, guys, you can link the terminal framework to your payment gateway ledger. So just select Tap to Pay from the card reader type pool choices. The app will run a quick system audit and link the feature to your verified Shopify payments gateway structure. Then just follow on-screen prompts to register your Apple ID or Google Merchant credentials. And to run actual sale, you need to return to the POS Smart Grid layouts and add your product to the active card wrapper and tap the green checkout action key. And on the payments options card screen, just select Tap to Pay. There you go, you're going to have this kind of screen. Instruct your customer to tap their contactless card or smartphone straight against the upper NFC reading area on the back of your phone until the successful haptic checkmark fires. So the integrated banking pipeline will instantly clear the transaction logs, updating your centralized e-commerce ledger automatically and flashing a digital receipt prompt on your display screen. That's it. This is your rapid mobile payment transformation streamlines to make your retail optimization workflow the best. That's it for this one, guys. Enjoy and see you soon.